Hi, I'm Martine Boucher. I'm one of the founders of Simplex Legal Services. So basically, just to give you the background on Simplex Legal Services, we offer two different kind of services. It's two channels. So we have the first one that we call dedicated services, and it's basically going at a client's place and offering our services on site to legal departments in time of need. So we have a team of experienced in-house counsels that are just available to come and help. The second channel that we offer is a more recent one, and it's called shared services, and it's basically something we do for all the clients that are a tier down and don't have yet a need for a full-time legal support in-house, and we just offer them our lawyers so that they can go for a one day, maybe a couple of hours here and there. It's a subscription model, and so for a monthly fee you just have access to the water cooler conversations. You can call anytime our lawyers, and you have a block of hours that you can use as you see fit. So that's what we do, and it all started with me after spending a bunch of years in the big, in what is called now big law and then big corporations. So I spent about 15 years practicing law that way, which is more the traditional way. And I took a deep breath and I thought, what do I want to do next? So that's where we went, and from there I wanted to practice law differently. I wanted to have my chance to really give the organization in the next place I would be working my own print and define my own values and my own way of practicing. We have now set it up as a real business, and how you get there is tough and it's challenging, but it's so rewarding. You first start by really, as I said, defining your brand and your culture. So you want talent first, obviously. You want really expertise and experience, but it's almost like taken for granted. Everybody in this marketplace will say that they're good at what they do, and that's what your clients want. But then you want people that will care. You want people that will be genuine, that you will want to work with. And that's basically what we've been hiring for. We've been really choosing our people very carefully to fit that culture. There's something so rewarding about going out in the market and finding people and hiring them to fit your model and just thinking, am I going to be happy to work with these people? And choosing them one by one and growing it is a very rewarding part of practicing law differently for me, truly. And then I'd say the second part was that we had a really clean slate. Our policy book is that big. That big. It's nothing. Like, we just define our own rules and we just decide what makes sense. So we spend a lot of time just talking to our clients and asking them, what is it that you need? What can we do for you? Is there anything else you need us to do differently? Is there anything else that's not being done for you that you would need from us? And that's where we start. And it is very refreshing and rewarding again to have the chance to just build to suit, find a solution that is really built for the people you're working with, because they are so happy with what you do in the end, and that was really at first what made my success. This is not just about being a lawyer, it's about giving a service to clients, it's about being a business owner and just offering customer solutions. If you make that leap, then it opens all sorts of doors. Like, you start collaborating, you start looking and stealing, well, maybe just borrowing ideas from people in other fields, people that come from different industries, different expertise, different backgrounds, and that's when you really start being innovative. There's a lot of noise about ABS and different business ways of opening up law firms, and whether or not it's right to get people that are not licensed to practice law to have a stake in law firms. And I'll say that for me through a loophole, because Jeff, my business partner, happens to be my partner in life, and so it allowed me to have him involved. And I've been the luckiest to start a business with someone who had a business background and could really question and collaborate with us in a different way. So just food for thought, but I think the rules, the professional rules that prohibited ABS and the different versions and allowing people that are not licensed lawyers to have a stake were meant to protect people. And I think right now we're impinging on the on our flexibility and on our developing really truly customized solutions to our customers because of the rules that were meant to protect them. There is something that is not right about that, and I think it's time for us to reflect on it if, as a profession, we want to offer a better experience and a better service to our clients.